Bryan Greenberg is an American actor and singer, known for his starring role as Ben Epstein in the HBO original series How to Make It in America, as well as a recurring role as Jake Jagielski in the WB series One Tree Hill and as Nick Garrett on the short-lived ABC drama October Road. His film work includes The Perfect Score, Prime, Bride Wars, and Friends with Benefits. Greenberg was born in Omaha, Nebraska, the son of psychologists Denise Denny and Carl Greenberg. Greenberg was born to Jewish parents. He was raised in conservative Judaism and attended Bethel Synagogue in Omaha. Greenberg had a bar mitzvah ceremony, belonged to Jewish youth groups, went to Jewish summer camps, and traveled to Israel. At 7 years old, when Greenberg's younger sister Becca was in dance class, he got the opportunity to appear in the lead role in the Omaha Ballet production of The Nutcracker. He toured with the show for 2 months and joined a children's theater company in Omaha. At age 12, Greenberg and his family moved to St. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.